Hello, hello, hello. Today, I am going to record an article. The title of the article is Online Classes, a Great Challenges for Us. So, the article goes like this. No one can forget the day which was Monday and the date of 24th March 2020, as on that very day our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Damodar Das Modi Sahab announced about the Sampurna lockdown in the whole nation due to COVID-19 infection running in the world. And gradually this novel coronavirus is spreading its legs also in our country. As per that declaration of our Honorable Prime Minister, all streets, mahallas, panchayat, janpad, district and small and big towns will be locked down. All institutions like school, colleges, malls, e-commerces and other public and private institutions will remain be shut down till further order. In this way, to control this corona infection, which is going towards an increase rapidly in our country, the period for lockdown were extended continuously, making phases 1, 2, 3 and 4 and so on, which caused more than lakh of deaths were reported in different countries, including our too. In the starting month of lockdown, that is in the month of March 2020, in almost all schools, different board examinations, including CBSE, were running. Consequently, due to this announcement, all the remaining examinations were made cancelled and their results were declared on the basis of some papers which were held till that date, including their internal assessment. The question arises that okay, it was done, but government and other boards have given their results, no doubt, showing sympathetic attitudes also towards students and their parents. But what about our future? Today's students are tomorrow's nation builders. Today's students are tomorrow's future. They are our nation builder. Now, after getting their result published, all students have gone to their next upper classes. As in the month of April, the new session is to be started. Then again question arises before every stakeholder, parents, students and government too, how their new session will be started, because all the schools and colleges remains closed. They can't be opened in this corona situation running, which is going to spread rapidly in whole the country. Then from government, boards, central and state and all stakeholders, together with all top officials and CBSE, other boards have decided that new session will be started in all the schools and colleges using different apps with the support of Android phone or smartphones. I, S.K. Thakur, being a school teacher of math subject, currently posted in Kendriya Vidyalaya, Saharsa, Bihar, who is at his retirement virgin also, no doubt have a marathon teaching experiences, but being not a very fast and friendly user of smartphones, and through this phone, how to conduct online classes for their teaching our school students. For me, it was really a very difficult task. But thinking and making a self commitment that by any means, by hook and crook, I have to facilitate to our students and parents, as I have been doing since my starting of services for educating our students up to their satisfaction of the students and parents too, and to develop an ideal citizen for our healthy society and healthy nation India, which is a leading country in the world in coming era. I have also started taking the help of our computer experts and young colleagues recently joined in the Vidyalaya, that is in Kendriya Vidyalaya Saharsa. So, taking help from them, I have also started taking online classes for our children. Students, I was really surprised seeing that in our Vidyalaya, class 1-2 students, with the help of their parents, चांद सी महबूबा हो मेरी कब ऐसा. हाँ, हेलो, प्रणाम सर. बी का क्लास टीचर थे ना लास्ट ईयर. हाँ सर, लास्ट ईयर 10 लास्ट मतलब सेशन में 10 बी का क्लास टीचर थे. जी जी जी. तो ये नहीं 10 बी का लास्ट ईयर नहीं था, मैं 9 बी का था. अभी करंट में 10 बी का है. जी, लास्ट ईयर याद है का 10 बी का कौन थे, वो एक्चुअली रजिस्टर चाहिए था हम लोगों को. ओ अच्छा अच्छा, मैं बोल देता हूँ ना, आईएन झा सर थे. आईएन झा थे. जी जी. अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा. So